ezyZip.
How to reduce photo file size online. Go to ezyZip.com, click on Compress, then Images, then navigate to reduce photo file size online. Enter your desired file size or by percentage in the box, then click on Next. You will be redirected to the appropriate file compression page. Click Select Image File to compress. To open the file chooser, or drag and drop the image file directly onto ezyZip. Click on Compress. The system will begin processing your file. It may take a few seconds depending on complexity. Once the compression is complete, click on Preview Image button to see the compressed file before saving. If satisfied, click on Save Image File to download the compressed version to your selected folder. It's that easy. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe, it would mean a lot to us.
ezyZip.